in the EXS offline commercial complex.
The gap is widening, not between nations, between possible and impossible. China isn't just building the future, they're already living in it. And what you're about to see? It should terrify every other country on Earth. Not because it's dangerous, because it's working. So buckle up. What comes next will change how you think about technology forever. AI education, building future minds. Let's start with something that doesn't make headlines, but changes everything. Education. While Western kids learn basic math, China transforms children into AI experts from elementary school. Starting this year, every Beijing kid as young as 6 required to take AI classes. 8 hours minimum per school year. That's millions of children learning artificial intelligence before mastering multiplication tables. China selected 184 schools testing even more advanced AI programs. By adulthood, these kids will control technology that doesn't exist yet. This isn't learning to code. This is creating a generation that thinks in algorithms, understands machine learning, builds AI systems from scratch. Imagine an entire generation raised fluent in technology the way we're fluent in language. That's China's plan. And it's already happening. Palm payments, the wallet is dead. We pay by scanning cards or using smartphones, right? China took it one giant leap further. They pay without cards or phones. Sounds impossible? They're doing it with their palms. Millions already paying for things just by showing their hand. Tencent's WeChat Palm Pay scans unique lines and veins in palm, more secure than fingerprints, faster than pulling out wallet. Over 1,500 stores using it. Error rate, less than 1 in a million transactions. Students use it at universities. Travelers use it on trains. Soon, people might not need cash, cards, or even phones to buy anything. Your hand becomes your bank account. Maglev trains faster than airplanes. But China didn't stop with payments. They built trains that don't touch ground. They levitate using magnetic forces. Maglev trains recently hit 404 miles per hour in just 7 seconds acceleration, faster than most commercial airplanes during takeoff. Testing shows experimental trains reaching over 620 mph, faster than commercial planes cruising at altitude. With trains this fast, Beijing to Shanghai in 2.5 hours instead of current 5.5 hours. Imagine boarding train and arriving faster than flying. No security lines, no boarding delays, no turbulence. That's not future. That's China right now. The dancing supercar. If floating trains at 620 mph aren't shocking enough, wait until you see what Bide built. Bide Yangwang U9 Extreme Supercar 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.36 seconds. Faster than you can say super speed, just shattered every speed record on Earth, reached 496.22 km per hour. Fastest production car in world. But here's mind-blowing part. This $236,000 supercar can literally dance. This system makes car jump 75 millimeters in air, hop over obstacles, synchronize movements to music, watch 1,287 horsepower supercar dancing to beat. Not party trick. System reacts in 40 milliseconds, faster than you can blink. More advanced than any production car ever built anywhere on Earth. Faster than Lamborghini. Faster than Ferrari. Faster than $2 million Rimac Nevera. But here's what's truly terrifying for automakers. Bide just became first automaker globally to produce 10 million new energy vehicles. Selling these dancing supercars for $236,000 while comparable Ferrari costs over $500,000. Parking like you've never seen. Now let's talk about something that seems impossible. Parking. Motors L6 doesn't just park, it slides horizontally into spots like performing choreography. 4-wheel steering. Independent electric motors on each wheel. Reduces parking space requirements by 11%. Turning circle, just 4.99 meters. Literally half turning radius of normal cars. But wait, gets crazier. Bide Z9 GT parallel parks by power sliding sideways into impossibly tight spaces. Electric motors spin rear wheels in opposite directions while front wheels pivot. Slips into spaces that seem physically impossible. Then there's Yangwang U8. Executes complete tank turn, spinning 360 degrees in place without moving forward or backward at all. 4 independent electric motors make each wheel rotate opposite directions simultaneously. Can crab walk sideways into parking spaces. Here's insane part. Drive into water almost 5 feet deep. Float like boat. Move through floodwater at 3 kilometers per hour using wheels as propellers. Imagine flood. Instead of stranded, you drive car into water and boat to safety. Not concept art. Can buy this vehicle right now. Charging in 5 minutes. Charging electric cars takes hours, right? Wrong. Bide just destroyed that limitation forever. Revolutionary new batteries charge so fast, 5 minutes provides 400 kilometers driving range. Like driving from one major city to another with just bathroom break worth of charging. They call it 1 megawatt charging system, 1,000 times more powerful than charging smartphone. Now, genuinely faster to charge electric car than fill up with gasoline. Facial recognition everywhere. Let's talk about something controversial. Surveillance. Flying in China like stepping into science fiction. 62 airports, 557 security channels use facial recognition. Don't need ticket or ID anymore. System knows who you are just by scanning face. Shanghai Hongqiao Airport, check-in, drop bags, pass security, board flight without speaking to single person. Entire process, 12 seconds per passenger. Beijing's largest airport, over 600 biometric checkpoints, 250 automatic gates, 80 self-service stations, all powered by facial recognition. But not just airports. Throughout China, cameras omnipresent. Over 200 million surveillance cameras nationwide, 4 times more than entire United States. They call it Skynet system. Uses facial recognition to track every person continuously. Technology so sophisticated, catches jaywalkers instantly. Identifies anyone not wearing masks during health emergencies. Even predicts crimes using behavioral pattern analysis. Police wear AI-powered smart helmets that scan crowds. Instantly identify wanted criminals. Delivery drones the 15-minute city. Now something simple, food delivery. In West, you order pizza and wait 45 minutes hoping it arrives warm. In China, 15 minutes. Delivered by drone to exact location. Meituan completed over 300,000 drone deliveries. Not pilot program. Operational systems serving millions. Drones navigate autonomously. Drop packages at smart boxes. Eliminate human delivery drivers entirely. But here's where it gets wild. Rural areas, JD.com deploys heavy-duty cargo drones carrying 5 to 30 kilograms. They call it pickup truck in sky. These drones connecting remote villages that never had delivery infrastructure. Bringing goods that once took days in under 1 hour. Not experimental technology showcased at tech conferences. This is daily life for hundreds of millions of people. Cultural acceptance embracing the future. Here's what's truly remarkable about China's technological adoption. 85% of Chinese people comfortable letting robots drive them around. Only 39% of Americans feel same way. China racing into future at full speed while other countries remain scared to try. Testing self-driving Robotaxis in 19 cities. 16,000 test vehicles on 32,000 kilometers of designated roads. Like driving around Earth's entire circumference and still having test roads left over. China isn't just building impressive technology, they're building all of it simultaneously. Doing it faster than anyone thought possible. Trains levitating at 620 mph. Cars that dance and float. 6-year-olds learning AI. Payments made with your palm. Drones delivering to remote villages. Airports operating without human staff. This isn't the end, just the beginning. Every single one of these technologies will get better, faster, cheaper with each iteration. critical question. When will this technology spread to rest of world? More importantly, are you ready for a world where cameras know everything? Robots replace human workers? AI systems make decisions affecting millions? China already answered that question with action. Rest of world still debating. That's exactly why China leading this revolution while others scramble to catch up. The future isn't coming. It's already here. Question is, will you be part of it? Or will you be left behind? If this shocked you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more mind-blowing tech discoveries from around the world. Which innovation surprised you most? 6-year-olds learning AI or cars that float in floods? Drop your answer in comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.